I just realized that I didn't film an intro for this video, so if this seems out of place, that's why. But basically, my name is Alyssa. I am a clay and digital, and you know what, just call me an artist. I feel like I like doing a lot of things, so limiting myself is so frustrating. But anyways, you can call me a clay artist, you can call me whatever, it's fine. Yeah, I got some new equipment today, so I'm excited to try it out. Let's get to it. Recently, one of my climbing friends asked me to make a pig version of one of my little cows. Today, I want to go and try to workshop what a pig version of this would look like. Yeah, so come along and I hope you enjoy this video. I got new equipment that I'm really excited to use, so I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed filming and making it. Honestly, I'm just so happy that people are watching me. People leave comments on my video and it just makes me so happy. Like, I was crying yesterday because I was like, oh my god, I'm so glad that people like what I'm making. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in yet again. This is just like, so exciting for me. Thank you. So I wanted to check the mic settings. This is what it's like living near an airport. There's just constant noise. Every 2 minutes, another airplane. I wanted to test out the mic settings and see how far I could potentially use these mics for future videos. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, gotta run. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's see if it still works. Okay. She was like a fairy. On a side note, I also went to the Alameda Fair today and I bought some earrings from this girl named Megan. She's super nice and I really liked her stuff. She was so nice to chat with me for a little bit. Anyways, here are the earrings. They're so cute. I was gonna try them on actually because I feel like they match my outfit. But we had a really nice chat and she was selling near Park Street, which is like close to my old high school, and we just, you know, bonded over making polymer clay charms and earrings and such. So yeah, I was just really glad to have had that experience, to get to know someone else who's also in the small business creator area. Anyways, yeah, you can go check out her channel. I really like her stuff. She's been doing it probably a lot longer than I have. But yeah, I was just really happy to meet a fellow Asian American who likes doing this stuff as much as I do. Anyways, here's how they look. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I feel like a Sailor Moon character or something. Yeah, so check out her shop. I'll link it in the description. Megan makes things. Yeah, thanks. Okay, so I have all my clay things out. I just need to break down what I want to do today, which is make some clay cows and some... Oh, let me get this straight. Okay, actually I have to make some clay cows, some strawberry seals, and a pig. Yeah, let's see how much I can get done today. It might be quite adventurous. or adventurous is not the right word. What's the right word? I'll think of it someday. Anyways, yeah, let me get into this. I have to make quite a few things today. Let's just see if I can do it. I've never made a pig before, so I'm kind of worried. I guess you can see how I workshop things, but pigs have sort of like pointed ears versus cows, you know. These little cows just have flat ears. I've made pointed ears before, but I'm worried that if I'm worried that if I make it for these pigs, they'll end up looking like a cat or a fox, perhaps, which I want to avoid. So I'm going to try my best to make it as pig-like as possible. Did you know that pigs like can pretty much eat anything? They can eat corn, they can eat meat. A little pig fun fact. You know, I've been wanting to go to the library, our little free library, because I've been wanting to check out a book about fish. If you know me, you'd know that I love eating fish, I love looking at fish, I love watching fish. Going to the aquarium is like one of my most favorite things to do, so yeah. If you can see, I just made the little nostrils. I'm gonna stick on his face. I'm hoping that making the face first will help me sort of find out how to approach this guy. There, you've got a little face. We'll worry about all the other dust particles later. Probably have to sand down this guy. Yeah, so we've got the head. Now we just need to start making the feet. Essentially doing clay stuff is just like rolling out clay into spheres and then sticking them on something. Do you think that's a good size? Let's just keep going. So this little area is where I like to take naps when I'm tired. I feel like my outdoor clothes are too dirty to go onto my bed even if I haven't really touched anything. This carpet is the carpet that I had in Davis for a little bit when I was studying, and I took many naps on the floor, so I think I just became accustomed to taking naps here. After I moved everything around in my room, I needed a space to just, you know, be very comfortable. So yeah, welcome to my little nook. I've invited you in. You can come sit with me if you'd like. I guess I should introduce you to some of my friends here. This is my long best friend. I've had him since I was a freshman in high school. My family and I went to Japan one summer, and I actually took a whole suitcase to put this guy in there. I saw him in the store at, you know, just like a Japanese toy store, and I was like, I must have him. And so he's been here. He's got a couple issues, like he can reach into his stomach, but I don't want to retire him because I get too sentimental about things, even though he's literally on his last leg. So yeah, I think I will keep him here as my little comfort companion. I don't know if you have one too, or I'm just crazy, but yeah. This is where I like to chill. Take a nap. I thought I'd just chit chat with you guys because we're waiting for my little pig guy to finish baking. Yeah. Honestly, if you're still watching this video, mind blown. You know what? You deserve a gold star. Hopefully I added animations in there, or else I just looked really stupid. Yeah, welcome to my little space. He's so cute. I forgot to add a tail. One of the many great things about working with polymer clay is that you can rebake the clay to a certain extent. Over time it'll crack, but yeah, it's very forgiving if you make mistakes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick a little piece of clay on his butt so I can add a little tail for him. His little ear fell off. It's okay. I'm just gonna stick it back on when I do the resin things. But now that I have my pig finished, I can work on making the clay cows. So yeah, let's get into a little montage of that. I'm so excited to do a montage. Caught in every moment. I see the sun on your face. Hopeful eyes keep them glowing. Love you more than words could say. There's nothing you could do. Wham bam, yes ma'am. You will look put together in no time. Ready to deal with you. Are you wearing with all those outfits? Oh, I have the answer for your face in my bathroom to show you guys my hold your head up high. AKA my makeup. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. That was 1 minute? Okay, you know what we're gonna do? Trying to find you. So I got my little cows. They've been sanded and baked, so all that's left besides glazing is to paint them. I have Liquitex gouache, it's the paint that I've been using, a paintbrush. So yeah, let's just get into painting. I've got all of my resin things here. The sun has set, which means it's optimal time for glazing. I have to fix this poor cow's ear. Why do I keep saying cow? I have to fix this poor pig's ear, and then I have to glaze these other 2 cows. These won't be keychains, and they'll just be desk friends or, you know, little pals, little sculptures. So yeah, let's get to it. So the resin is finished. We've got my little clay cow and pigs. Super shiny. Yeah, but anyways, I will do a full review tomorrow. As for now, I have to work out and then go to sleep. So thank you so much for coming along. Well, you've made it to this part of the video. Thank you so much for still watching. That retention rate on YouTube definitely matters a lot. I think I am going to probably draw a little bit before I go to bed. I've been trying to draw a little bit more. I started working on a digital version of my first paint with me video. I feel like I did not like that paint with me painting, so I need to make a better version of it. I have this so far. It's pretty rudimentary. I think I'm going to stick with the base color of pink. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this for a little bit and then I'll go to sleep.
Tenho esse mar todo pra olhar.
Hello friends, it's a new day. I have my splendid little friends here. They're so tiny. Yeah, so I think they look really great. Yeah, thanks for watching me. Subscribe.
Observar